Today's Gikuyu word is Ũthoni. Ũthoni. This is the relationship between in-laws and the whole traditional process of bringing two families together through marriage. The in-laws are called Ũthoni. You may hear someone saying Dadie Ũthoni. So they are going to either at Rurashio, they are either going to the first process, which is to know the home, or the Kuhadaidege. So whatever event they are attending, they'll say Dadie Ũthoni. So again, because it is part of the traditional process of the marriage. And yes, your name is Mũthoni, just know that your name came from the Ũthoni. So if you hear your grandmother saying Mũthoniwe, it means her in-law or his in-law. Mũthoniguo, it means your in-law. So a person who is called Mũthoni should mean like one in-law, and the plural is what now we say Ũthoni. So Mũthoni, Ũthoni. If your name is Mũthoni, if you are many, we would call you Ũthoni.